Hi, this is Absolut Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico, and today I'm going to show you how to make an Absolut Apeach Fluffy Screwdriver. The bitters are giving so much more aromatics, a nice little twist coming straight out of Brazil. You got that cloves, that cinnamon coming in through. You can smell the apeach, that's just coming straight through up to your nose. Don't forget to click, like, and subscribe down at the bottom. Don't forget to put all your comments into the comments because we read everything. That's how we know what drinks you want in our next episode. Let's get into it. First up, we want to juice some oranges. You want to cut it in half, and make sure you cut it in half, not across where the stem would be. Cut it across this way because you really want to get the juicer tip right into the center of the fruit there, and then we kind of squeeze all the orange out. You want to get all the pulp as much as possible. Do not throw away these husks. We can use these to make our own triple sec at a later date. So let's keep juicing. We're gonna need quite a lot of these oranges, usually around about 1.5 oranges per drink. Let's have a look. And we're looking for roughly around about 300 ml. Perfect. We're sitting at just above 300 ml there. Now we're gonna take our nice glassware, but if you don't have fancy glasses, don't worry. Because truth is, it's all about the liquid. So we're gonna ice these up as much as possible. So we're gonna ice these up. So we're gonna ice these up. Why do I keep saying uch? So we're gonna ice these up. We're gonna ice these up as much as possible with cubed ice. I wouldn't really recommend using crushed ice just because crushed ice really melts very fast. And you don't wanna put crushed ice into a drink like this because it's just gonna water down. Next up, as I said, this is a twist from Brazil. So we're gonna actually add some Absolut Apeach, 40 ml per drink, straight in. Now usually, I always say cheapest ingredient first, but we're gonna take a little bit of a risk now because we wanna make this juice fluffy. Usually, we use one of the centrifugal juicers, but I'm gonna show you how to do it using a stick or immersion blender right now. So, we're gonna take our immersion blender, and you wanna be holding it right in, making sure you get as much air into that juice as possible. And you wanna hold it just near the top so that you're actually dragging air in as it spins. You see how it's a little bit cloudy? That means that the juice has been aerated and all nice and fluffy now. And we just wanna pour that directly in there. Add roughly around 100 ml of orange juice, but it all depends on the size of your glass and how much orange juice you like. And next up, this is another twist coming straight from Brazil, and that is the addition of a little bitters. They like some bitters in there, so it's gonna put 2 little dashes, and then we're gonna just garnish with a nice orange slice. For slices, because oranges are really big, so you wanna take that wheel, slap it down, cut it in half so you got a nice half moon slice, and just stick that directly in. And there you go, the #1 screwdriver twist or variation coming straight out Brazil, the Fluffy Apeach screwdriver. That's really good. More air means more aroma means more flavor. This is one of the greatest drinks. Super easy to make, and it just elevates your simple screwdriver to one that could be served in one of the greatest bars in the world. The Fluffy Apeach screwdriver with a dash of bitters. Very nice, guys. And if you guys want to see how this drink looks when you use a centrifuge juicer, check out our original screwdriver video and check out our Greyhound video on the channel.